Hi guys, it's Lillian. Today I'm doing a slime haul because I just am, so we can get started now. First is this pink butterscotch slime. It smells like a butterscotch thing, and it's pink, so it smells super good. It's really pokey too. Kind of sticky, but it's good. So it does stick a little, but it's good. Just a little consistency stays on your hands just because there's like a bunch of water in there. Just wipe down my pants. So next, this container is like super big for this slime. But this is my crystal slime. There's my dog back there. Oh, he left. So here it is. It's my crystal. And it's really easy to make swirls with. It's actually super nice too. This is a really bad swirl, like a terrible swirl. Well, it was good on this side, but not on that side. And it takes a while for you to go like this. I'll just do it because it's really easy to break, but you just go like this and then put it together. It's really nice when it pops too, but that wasn't really a good pop. So the next one is, so we have the triplets here. This one is a like a green with holographic sparkles. And they're like silver. Yeah, of course. So that's the slime. It's one of the triplets. This is the smallest triplet. So the next one is, this one is the biggest. It's a foam. And all the foam beads rise to the top. Like, it just has a little bit of foam beads. And there's only one more sticky slime, but it's really good. So that was the second triplet. And then this, so my school, they are the Andover Huskies, and our colors are white, gold, and black. This doesn't have black in it, but it's white with golden sparkles. It's a really firm, nice slime. So yeah. And what's nice about these containers, you can like clamp them together. So my next one is it's like the Andover Husky triplet slime, but it just doesn't have gold sparkles in it, and it's a butter slime. So, and it's pretty firm. That's what I really, really like about it. So this is the sticky one. It's just super pokey and jiggly. This is like my really jiggly one. And you can like, know that there's water in here. So that's it. See how pokey it is? It's my favorite. It's my newest slime, actually. Mac, you dropped that. He has my stuffed animal, but he won't rip it up. So now we have my hearts. Hey, buddy. Okay. So my next one is my heart slime. It's in a baggie because I'm going to get a container soon for it, but these are actually, the 3 baggie ones are the ones that I'm actually selling, or the 3 baggie ones. But, yeah. Hey, Mac. So how I just put it back, since it's like inside out now, I just go like that, and then I go like... What are you doing with the stuffed animal, Mac? So, the next one is this blue, not stretchy slime, but it's actually pretty good. It's just really made for poking. There's like a lot of lotion in it. See, it's not that. I mean, like, it's no. And you can't really like go like that. It's good. It's just made for poking. I kind of wanted to make it like this, but I don't know. Finally got the stuffed animal for my dog. So I need to close this. I'll just try to close them all after. But so this is the second to last slime. This is a white slime. It's my marshmallow slime. Sorry, I didn't really tell you what all the slimes were called, but some of them don't actually. Oh no, this is my Moonlight Path slime. I put a lot of that lotion in here. It's one of my favorites. It smells super good. This is also a butter slime, but it's not kind of like the other butter slimes. It's not as firm. It's like an iceberg butter slime. That smells super good, and it's not as firm. But it's one of my favorites. I'm gonna probably put these in containers. I hate how I put them in baggies. I'll just close that later. So this is my last slime. It's actually a putty, but I added a lot of water in it. If it'll open. Okay, I hate how these putties are like that. Okay, I finally got it open. Some of it like rose to the top, so I'll get that. So this is it. It's super stretchy, but it goes like that. It's not like sticky, but it's like, but if you like poke it, like to rip off your fingernails. My fingernails just feel weird when I do that. But you can tell that there's like a powder in here. But yeah. So I want you guys to comment which one is your favorite slime. Well, I fell. So, Mac, you say bye? Mac? Bye.